The fourth and final learning objective for section A2.1 is to round decimal values appropriately. I'm going to be using GeoGebra again, and so I want to make sure that I have enough decimal values so that I can do my rounding. So as a reminder, click on the gear icon, and then when the options open up, click on the gear icon again. Under the global tab and rounding, you can select how many places. I've set it to 10 decimal places, so I make sure that I have enough. The first example says to round 0.24739 to 2 decimal places. So I'm going to look at the second decimal place. The 2 is in the first decimal place, and the 4 is in the second decimal place. And then I'm going to look at the number to the right of it. That 7 is 5 or bigger, so it means that the 4 needs to increment up, and when we round this, it becomes 0.25. The next example says round 134 215ths, so this fraction of 134 over 215 to 4 decimal places. So I'll use my GeoGebra here. I'm going to enter 134 divided by 215, and I get this value here. I'll write that whole decimal that GeoGebra gave me, 0.623255814. And now I want to round this value to 4 decimal places. So the 6 is in the first, 2 is in the second, 3 is in the third, and this 2 here is in the 4th decimal place. So to 4 decimal places, I will look at the 5. Since 5 is 5 or bigger, I'm going to increment that 2 up, and this becomes 0.6233. I'm going to do another example just to show this. Let's do this to 3 decimal places. Now, the value in the 3rd decimal place is the 3, and if I look at the digit to the right of it, it's a 2. 2 is less than 5, which means that I'm going to leave the 3 alone and truncate, take off everything else, and I get 0.623.